Good morning, students. So today we are starting with the next question, that is question number 4. Here the question number 4 is actually the question number 6 of the exercise 12.2. So let us start with the question. The question is the same of the type manufacturing problem. So let me start with it. A cottage industry manufactures pedestal lamps and wooden shades, each requiring the use of the grinding or a cutting machine and a sprayer. It takes 2 hours on the grinding or a cutting machine and 3 hours on the sprayer to manufacture a pedestal lamp. It takes 1 hour on the grinding or the cutting machine and 2 hours on the sprayer to manufacture a shade. On any day, the sprayer is available for at most 20 hours and the grinding or the cutting machine for at most 12 hours. The profit from the sale of the lamp is rupees 5 and from the shade is rupees 3. Assuming that the manufacturer can sell all the lamps and shades he produces, how should he schedule his daily production in order to maximum profit? So now student, here the question we have, it is of the same type, and so we will make the same table as we are making as regular. So here the things are that first, the daily production of the pedestal lamp is X, let me suppose it, and wooden shade is Y. So now what we are having, it takes the time on the grinding and the cutting machine and the sprayer and the profit. So all things I have written here. You can see in the question that it takes 2 hours on the cutting or grinding machine and 3 hours on the sprayer to make the pedestal lamp. So for lamp, 2 hours on the grinding and cutting machine and 3 hours on the spray. Similarly, then the next line gives us that it takes 1 hour on the grinding or the cutting machine and 2 hours on the sprayer. So 1 hour on the grinding and cutting machine and 2 hours on the sprayer to manufacture the shade. Now the sprayer is available for at most 20 hours. So now, sorry for disturbance. Now sprayer is available for 20 hours. So here where is a sprayer here? So sprayer is available for 20 hours when the grinding and cutting machine is available for 12. So 20 and 12. Don't write in the sequence. Here the sequence is given to be reversed. So sprayer 20 hours and grinding and cutting machine for 12 hours. As well as they are giving us the profit of rupees 5 on the lamp and rupees 3 on the shade. So now we have to form our LPP. So now we know that as X and Y are the number of the production of the lamp and the shade, so it must be greater than or equals to 0. Then from here we have given that at the most, we know that at most, that means less than equals to. So 2H plus 1H, or how to write, 2x plus y less than equals to 12, 3x plus 2y less than equals to 20, and our objective function is profit. So maximize profit, maximize z is equals to 5x plus 3y. So let us see our LPP. So here the LPP is given here, that objective function maximize z 5x plus 3y, and our subject to the constraints are 2x plus y less than equals to 12 and 3x plus 2y less than equals to 20, xy is greater or equal than 0. So as we form an LPP, then further solution is easy for us. So here we are saying this quickly. Now first is our line is 2x plus y is equals to 12. So find out the two solution. We have found here, you understood now. Similarly for the second one, 3x plus 2y is equals to 20. Find the two solution. So x is equals 0, y is equals to 10. y is equals 0, then x is equals to 20 by 3. Now student, when we are getting the fraction, then it is difficult to point that. So that's why I have find another one, that is for y is equals to 1, 3x is equals to 18, so x is equals to 6. So these are the two solutions for each constraint. Now we have to plot the graph. So let us see the graph for it. So this is the question number 4. So graph of question number 4 is here. Now you can check it with the given one. So now here the solution is 2x plus y is equals to 12. So this we have to plot in the graph. So let me see, x is equals to 0. So I have taken the scale of the 2 centimeter is equals to 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So our first point is 0, 12. So this is the point 0, 12. And second one is a 6, 0, that is y is equals 0, x is equals to 6. So this is the first line we have. This is the first one. You can see this one first, the upper line. This is the first line, that is 2x plus y is equals to 12 and less than equals to, so lower region is our solution. Second line, x is equals to 0, then y is equals to 10, then y is equals to 1, then x is equals to 6. So 6 comma, this is the point, 6 comma 1. So we will join this to this and this. So this is the lower line, here upper one. So this is the second line, 3x plus 2y is equals to 20. Again it is less than, so lower region is our solution. So this is the solution we are having, that is our feasible region. Now for finding the solution, we only require the corner points. So corner points are 0, 10, 4, 4, that you can find from the graph, and third one is 6, 0. So here the points, and you can see where is the maximum value. So maximum value is 4, 4. So our answer, so to get the maximum profit, maximum profit, manufacturer should produce 4 lamps and 4 wooden sheds. So that is the answer. Now I think you have only difficulty, if you have any difficulty, that is only the form an LPP. Otherwise solution, now if you can form a correct LPP, then solution is very easy for you. Now question number 5, which is, I have written the next exercise 12.2, question number 7. So a company manufactures 2 types of novelty souvenirs made of the plywood. Souvenirs of type A require the 5 minutes each of cutting and 10 minutes of each of assembling. Souvenirs of type B require 8 minutes of cutting and 8 minutes each for assembling. There are 3 hours and 20 minutes available for cutting and 4 hours for assembling. The profit of ₹5 for type A and ₹6 for type B. How many souvenirs of each type should the company manufacture in order to maximize the profit? Now students, this is the question. I think you can solve it. So this is given you as a homework. Just now take care of these things. That is where is it given? Profit not. There are 3 hours and 20 minutes are available for cutting. So 3 hours, that is a 3 into 60, 180 minutes plus 20, so 200 minutes. Convert in the minute and then solve. So I am just to give you the quick of the table. This is the question you have, question number 7. You can solve it by yourself. You can make the LPP. Here the things we have, this is the thing we have. So I think you should do this one. I am not seeing you the solution as I have, but now we are going for the next question, that is question number 6. In this question also I will only give you the LPP. then further solution you have to make. So this is the question number 6, which is from exercise 12.2. Question number 8. A merchant plan to sell two types of personal computer, a desktop model and a portable model, that will cost rupees 25,000 and rupees 40,000 respectively. That means the cost of the desktop model is 25,000 and portable model is 40,000. He estimates that total monthly demand of the computer will not exceed 250 units. Determine the number of units of each type of computer which the merchant should stock to get maximum profit. If he does not want to invest more than 70 lakhs. If his profit on the desktop model is 4,500 and portable model is 5,000, then we have to find out the maximum profit. So here you can see in this question, this is not given. We cannot given it directly on the tabular form. So here the things you have to note. First, he don't want to spend more than 70. That means maximum amount he has, that is of 70 lakhs. Okay. Profit and loss is given. Profit on the both model is given 4,500 and 5,000. So here the things we have. Let the merchant stock X number of the desktop model and Y numbers of portable model. Now profit on the desktop model is 4,500 and portable model is 5,000. So now here our objective function, that is the maximized profit, will be 45,000 on the desktop, that is X, and 5,000 into Y. So this is the maximized Z. Now second thing here given, that price of the desktop model is 25,000 and price of the portable model is 40,000. He does not want to invest more than 70 lakhs. So here you have the question that 25,000 into X plus 40,000 into Y will not exceed 70,000. So less than or equals to, will not exceed 70 lakhs. So it is less than or equals to 70 lakhs. So this is the second thing we have. And third thing we are having, that is a merchant can stock only maximum of 250 models. So X plus Y will not exceed 250. So X plus Y is less than or equals to 250. So our LPP is maximize Z 4,500 X plus 5,000 Y. Sorry student, here the mistake, 10 is less here. Sorry for this. 5,000 Y. Subject to the constraint are X plus Y less than equals to 250, 25,000 X plus 40,000 Y less than equals 7 lakhs, and X and Y is greater or equal than 0. So I hope you will solve these two questions. Here the LPP I have given. In the last question table I have given. So LPP also you have to form. So just try to solve this question. These two questions are your homework. You can do it in your regular notebook. Now as you all are having a notebooks, so now you can write down each and every questions whichever we have done in the classes, in the online classes. You should note down in your notebook, and any question is given you as a homework or solve by yourself, please try to solve, because if you will not solve your question by yourself, you will not get the solution. Okay, so hey, thank you and have a nice day.